I'm Max.
And I'm Jax.
And we are
the Taste Test Kings.
Today, Jax and I, we are going to, well, we actually don't know what we're going to taste test.
Yeah, because we went to the store, bought each other stuff to taste test, so we don't know what we're going to taste test today.
So what's going to happen is, on the count of 3, we're going to pull out what we bought to taste test. So we went to the store, I bought something for Jackson to taste test.
I bought something for him to taste.
Alright, so that's what it is. We don't know what it is. Alright? You ready?
3.
Wait, on 3 or after 3? On 3. I'm on 3. You ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Boom. Whoa. Okay.
This
Okay.
is mine.
What we have here? We have sour streamers. Look at that. Sour streamers.
That's what I got them.
So that's what I'm going to taste test. And Jackson's going to taste test the Rice Krispie treat, chocolate covered Rice Krispie treats. It's new too.
That's going to taste good, I think.
All right. So I've never tasted this one.
I ain't never tasted it before.
Okay, so
we could taste test our own too.
so you want to taste test this
How about-
first or this first?
How about this? We both taste test this first and then this.
Go. Go.
You want to open it?
Let's open it. Let's open
Because
it.
I always open it.
One in on this, Zika.
Come on, easy. This is my brother. My mom's the camera lady. This is my brother.
D-Man.
Come on.
Ooh-wee. So right here we have a lot of flavors here. We have, actually I don't know, but we have green,
Come on.
red,
You're going to be in our
blue,
video,
and
damn it. That's my
orange.
god brother.
All right. Oh, here we go. Blue raspberry, cherry, orange, and apple. So the green apple.
The green is the apple. The orange is orange. The red is cherry. And the blue is blue raspberry. Ooh. That's my god brother. My brother, my dad, my mom's the camera lady. And me.
It's Max and Jack's TTK. We
Max
taste
and
test.
Jax.
We taste test.
You guys could be in it. Hey, Dad, come on, Dad.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna pull one out for you.
I'm gonna chill. Oh, it actually smells good.
I can smell it over here.
My young one?
There we go. Wow, that
My
smells
young
pretty,
one?
smells pretty good.
David, get a cherry. Cherry. Which one? This one. The red one. My brother, my god brother, my dad, me, my mom's the camera lady. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, good.
I can actually handle the sour part. See, this is for young teeth. This type of candy is for kids
That's
with
what Damon's
young
here.
teeth. Because I feel every cavity that I have very sensitive. It's good. It's good. Okay.
I got all the sour out the way.
That was cherry.
I have another one.
Wait. Let's go to orange.
Dad. Come on, Evie.
Orange.
Maybe Zeke do it. We eating it first. Oh, wow.
Okay. We'll come back for it.
The blue raspberry makes sense. We already blamed it out by accident.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, orange is my favorite. Let me taste the orange.
My mom.
Orange. Just all over the place. Here we go. We're going. All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's just like orange. Wow. Again. For young teeth, or I need to chew on the other side. That's pretty good.
So sour. It ain't as sour as the last one.
Mm-hmm.
True. Now we doing green since it's out already.
No, can we do green last?
Okay.
You're tasting all the flavors?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm doing blue raspberry.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting mine first.
That's a lot of candy.
This one.
All right, here we go.
3.
All right, cavity right there. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You guys can't even enjoy it. Shoving the whole thing in your mouth like that. I'm still on my orange one.
Mama's savoring.
Mm-hmm.
Taste. I can't chew on this side. But
No sour faces.
That wasn't sour at all. I'm going right in for the green.
you going in?
Are you gonna do the green apple?
Ooh, I gotta wait for y'all. I love
Cavity.
that.
All right, dude. Here we
Wait,
go.
these two are yours.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Green apple.
Damn it. Damn it.
One down. Can you hack it?
I think the sour ones is cherry and apple. You know. No, cherry and orange are the most sour there. But what the first one we had? Cherry.
We did the
You
cherry
want to do
first.
this one with us?
Wait, hold on. We did the cherry first,
Then
the orange, then the blue raspberry, and then the
I'm killing
god
this.
awful green apple.
I'm killing this.
I would say the orange is the better of the 4.
I'll say the blue.
Blue raspberry.
I mean, they all were sour, but the first one was sour. I think I like the first one.
First one?
Cherry.
No, not the first one. Second one, you like the third one, and who knows what Ezekiel likes. All right,
Take it.
Orange.
let's move forward.
I'm
Yeah.
on my third one.
This here.
are you gonna
I think
put
this
this
one
on?
here. Ezekiel, which one did you like?
The red one?
All right, Ezekiel like the cherry.
One.
That's cherry. Can I get it?
Yes, sir.
You want this?
All right, we're going in, guys. We're going in.
Save the red one for me. Ah, Jasmine, put it back on there.
There we go. That's pretty. Look at that.
Fudgy.
Smells very sweet. Very, very sweet. Go ahead, Jackson.
Baby, you gonna do this one too?
Ezekiel. He's making a lemon head face over there.
No, easy. Wait for us. Never.
All right. Okay, a little bite size. You get this? A little bite size. Snap, crackle poppers. Okay, little bite size poppers.
I'm about to
Rice Krispie
ask.
treats.
Come on. 3, 2,
I'm popping it up.
3, 2, 1. Go. Alright, my turn.
Oh.
I know you took it too. Let me see.
That hurt.
You get it? Third time's a charm. Here we go. Okay.
Dude.
Nice. It is
Can I get another one?
I'm not sold on it. I'm not sold on it. I'm not sold on it.
These are mine.
I'm not sold on it. What do you think? You
It's
like it?
actually, it's alright.
The white ones are better.
I'm finishing
A
these.
little too sweet.
I'm finishing these.
Mom too. It's a little too sweet.
Mama, you have
A
it?
little too sweet. Definitely. If I was a young whippersnapper like these young men here, I'd be popping these joints, but I don't. Not for me. Not for me. I would probably go with the orange sour
Jackson's
things
feeling them.
over over these. Here we go. Doing a happy dance. All right. Hey, Jax, let's close.
Dang!
Jax, let's close this one out. Hey, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to Max and Jax Taste Test Kings. And tune in. Matter of fact, do us a favor. Hit the subscribe button and hit that bell right there so you can see when we're going to post new videos. All right?
We might go live.
Oh, yeah. And we're going to be going live and good things like that. And we're going to have a lot of different snacks and treats and different foods. And Mom is taking another one of those sour things.
Follow us on Instagram, share, and do it, all that good stuff.
All right?
It will be greatly appreciated. Oh! Trying to end it out.
Oh, that went viral.